Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup, and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.